The Spanish company Crisalion has been developing its technology since 2019 with Tecnalia in a prototype called Concept that did many test flights, and allowing to patent their in-house technology called Flyfree, enabling the rotors to move for an improved safety and more precision. After 10 orders from iJET previously this year, Urban Link just signed a 20 units agreement. The final product of Crisalion is the Integrity model that will be able to host 5 passengers plus pilot at a speed of 180 km per hour within range of 130 km. With its 15 meters wingspan and 16 motors, it will be presented for the first time at the 1.1 scale at the coming 2025 Paris AirShow. The company Crisalion will continue to develop the Integrity, aiming for a certification in 2030.